we're working on the black 240 again. So, hey. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If you guys saw last video, we had a cooling issue. Today we're gonna try and fix that. All right, if you guys saw last video, the problem with this car was that the coolant wasn't circulating through the system. This hose kept staying rock solid. The bottom one had no coolant being introduced to it. So over here we got all the tools and everything we need to do. I got some new hoses, got some new clamps. And today we're gonna try and overhaul the entire cooling system. I bought a fitting for the back to be able to take out these two heater core lines from the firewall. And then I'm just gonna loop them. And this car doesn't even have heat, so I don't need that at all anyway. So let's get started on all this and see how much I get done. I'm gonna take out the thermostat and I'm gonna drill 3 more holes into the thermostat. Hopefully that allows the thermostat to open up more. Because obviously something in my cooling system isn't right and my thermostat isn't opening up. So hopefully after all this, the car runs better and it should be ready for angle and then its first drift day. So let's get started and try and rush through this. My mom was pissed as hell when I took that hose from the washing machine. I took out the 2 coolant hoses that go into the heater core because, like I said, I don't have heat. I bought this on Amazon. It's just it's like a U-turn for the coolant hoses, so this bypasses the heater core. Hopefully this works, and I don't have to worry about the heater core anymore. This is a thermostat that came out of the car. This is a Duralast thermostat, and you can see just how cheaply made it is. I don't even know if it's for this car, but I've had this in the car for a minute now. You can see it has no bleeder valve, nothing. And then on this side is an OEM one I've had forever. I just never been able to change it, but now we're finally gonna change it. So this one has this bleeder screw here. There's like a hole in here that kind of lets the air bleed past it. And then I also went ahead and I drilled 3 more holes. So 1, 2, 3. They're about roughly the same size as this hole. Hopefully this is the main cause of my issue, but I also just wanted to change the hoses and all the clamps and stuff. And as you can just tell side by side, like this one's a lot beefier. And then also on this side, I went ahead and got the heater core bypass installed. So it's right here. I'm gonna just tuck it away on the side. I might have to cut a little bit more right here just so that it sits in a little bit more. I'm missing one of these clamps. I need to order one. But it's fine because the car's not gonna be running right now. God, do you mind, bro? But I swear I'd be living in GTA San Andreas. Anyways, like I was saying, we didn't finish. We got basically pretty much everything done besides the front. The heater core in the back is done. I need to buy the new clamp. But everything in the front, the hardest part was we couldn't get this thermostat housing on. The thermostat has like nothing to click on, so it would just keep falling. I gotta go to work right now, so like I have no more time. So we just cleaned up and we're gonna come back tomorrow in the morning. We're gonna finish this up, drive the car around. Hopefully everything's good. But yeah, we're gonna finish today. We'll finish it tomorrow. I'll see you guys in a bit.
The next day.
All right, next day. Back with David. He woke up earlier than me today. I overslept again, bro. God damn. We got the gasket sealant that we needed. We got some more RTV. Oh, we got a gasket, but we gotta go back and exchange it because he got this for like a G35 or something.
Nah, you told me to get that one.
I said like 6 of them. So we're gonna go get the gasket. Hopefully they have it. All right, we got the gasket we need. Bro, I paid $30 for this kit just for this fucking clamp right here. They don't sell it by itself. Bro, what? What the hell? Bro, it's like this and all that. Or half of that. That just shows that my thermostat for sure wasn't opening it up before. We got everything back together. There's no coolant leaks. Everything's good. The cooling system looks like it's working now. This top hose is super hot. Not super hot, but it's nice and warm. That's not warm. The valve cover is nice and hot. This bottom hose still is not getting any coolant. The next problem is, I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see on camera, but the oil is still milky. Yeah, you can see it on my finger right there. Oh, what the f— I don't know if the head gasket is still leaking, or I don't know if that's just all the residual stuff in the oil channels from the last time, but it's brand new oil in it. The only thing I can think of is just drive it a little bit more, do the oil change on it like I said I was gonna do, see how the oil comes out, see if it's not too bad, and if it's not too bad, then just do another oil change on it. But if you think about it, imagine all that milkiness is still inside the block from the last time.
Yeah, bro, but
I'm not getting smoke on my tailpipe anymore either.
I mean, the only way to find out is change the oil.
There's a possibility that there's still water getting into my oil. How? I'm not sure. I guess it's still the head gasket. I guess something's messed up. If it is messed up, then the whole motor has to come out and has to be rebuilt or something. Bro, honestly, like, I just want to sell this car and get a fucking 350Z, bro, just to start drifting. Like, by the end of this video, we're gonna do an oil change on it. I'm gonna still have some hope and just say that maybe that's just the milkiness left from the past oil that was inside the car. I'm gonna just keep checking the oil, make sure it doesn't get any worse. But right now it looks like there's still a little bit of water in there, but it's not like crazy bad. So I gotta go to work again. The car drives fine. It smells like burnt headlight exhaust, so there's probably still an exhaust leak on it. But other than that, the car drove great, bro. It doesn't skip a beat. Like, it idles a little funny, but once it's under load, it feels fine. And it doesn't even idle that funny. It just has like a weird like vacuum leak or something. I went ahead and drove it just around the block for like 10-15 minutes. The temps are good. Both hoses, the top one is hot, the bottom one is not hot, but it does get pressurized now. So I'm hoping that the coolant is circulating through the system now. The only other problem that I showed you guys, it looks like the oil is too thin. I'm really hoping that's just all the residual like milkiness that was from the last time from the bad oil, because this oil that I have in here probably has like less than 5 miles. I probably driven like 10 miles on it. The plan is gonna be, we're gonna drive it again next time, get the oil up to temp, drive it for like 10-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go do another oil change on it. And then if that oil gets bad, then I don't know, because this last time driving it should get all the milkiness out of it. I'm really hoping it's just the last oil, because after we got done driving it, I tested the oil, I looked at it again, and it looked a lot better. It just looks a little bit too thin, but David has some new 5W30 in the back of his Honda. I'm gonna see how liquidy it is out of a bottle, brand new. I don't know, maybe we're just overthinking it, but it looked like the oil was a little too thin than what it had to be. So I did pretty much everything I wanted to do today. I gotta go to work right now, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Either we're gonna be doing the angle kit or the oil change on it.
One eternity later.
I don't know what the last clip in this video is gonna be, but it's been weeks since I've been able to work on the car. I don't remember what the last thing I recorded was. I have no idea where this video is going, so it's probably gonna be a short video. But right now, let me show you guys what I'm doing. Got the truck hooked up for the first time to the 240. Bro, this car was a bitch to load up, bro. I don't even know if I tied it down right. It's not going anywhere, so it looks like it should be good. But damn, it looks good to see the truck with the 240 on it finally. Hell yeah, thumbnail right here. Anyways, I'm kind of in a rush, but basically, I'm gonna take the 240 to a shop, and hopefully after the shop, it's drift ready. Like I said, I have no idea where this video is going. I don't know what I did in this video, but right now we're taking the 240 to a shop, and I'll give you guys an update after. I'm gonna be taking the car to Rival Auto Works. He's gonna take a look at it and see what's up with the car. There's a bunch of small details I wanna get fixed in the car, like the gas gauge doesn't work. I had an overheating issue, but I think I fixed it. I think I bled the system properly now. My tack is delayed. The next video, we'll be doing one last thing, which is angle to it, and then we'll be finally taking it to the track. So right now, me and my dad are gonna head over to the shop, unload it, and see what's up. All right, I'm back home now. I really couldn't record anything because I was basically just in and out, but let me give you guys an update. Like I said, I have no idea what I recorded this video. I'm sorry, I've been so busy. I'm gonna try my hardest to make videos consistently, especially after today, so I have good news. So the 240 seems like everything's good. It seems like it's drift ready. Got a compression tested. I just got it looked over basically by the shop, and they basically told me that the car should be good to drift. I mean, obviously there's some stuff I could clean up, like I wanna put the battery in the trunk, just small stuff like that, but for the most part, like I could take the car tomorrow to the track if I wanted to. So also shout out that shop. It's called Rival Auto Works. If you guys need anything done to your car, head over there. Jason, I think he's the owner. He was such a help, and he's a really cool dude. So if you guys need anything done, check. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Check out that shop. The car had like a crazy overheating issue even after the head gasket. I don't know if I recorded it. I think I must have recorded in this video, but I just sat down and I bled it for an hour and a half, and it finally bled. So I just had to keep bleeding it. So the car's bled now with no overheating issues. Literally everything else is perfect. Next video, I was gonna do an angle kit on it, but Jason recommended me to basically like learn with stock angle, because once you start adding more angle, you need more power to push out of the drift. So I mean, of course more angle would still help in my case, but I'm gonna learn the basics without stock angle, and then after maybe a couple more track days, I'll add the angle, and then we'll make an actual video so I can actually be able to tell you guys what the benefits of more angle is. So I don't just want to throw it straight on and learn how to drift with more angle. So I'm gonna be getting some new tires, and we're gonna be heading over to the track finally. I should have everything ready. We have the truck, we have the trailer, we have the 240 running now. Finally, the head gasket isn't leaking anymore. I'm in this video here because I really don't have much else to film. Next video, we're gonna be getting the car ready and taking it over to Willow Springs. I'm so excited, bro. I can't wait to drive, actually. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed any moment in this video, please consider subscribing. Drop a like, really helps out a lot, especially for a small channel like mine. And hopefully next video, we're back at the tracks. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Later.